mess you are receiving today symbolizes your authority upon the university and what Kabale University stands for.
Big hand clap. This is the authority given to the Chancellor.
I now declare Canon Mathew Rukikaire the duly installed Chancellor of Kabale University.
A hand of applause. Present this folder to the new Chancellor so that he can read and know what this university has achieved.
I expected a hand of applause, my dear friend, and adoration. Thank you very much.
To extend warm congratulations to Canon Mathew Rukikaire upon your installation as the second Chancellor of Kabale University. I pray for success during your tenure as you provide general oversight over the academic, financial, and administrative operations of the university. I trust that you will utilize your vast experience in leadership and management to steer the university to greater heights of excellence. The university is receiving a competent and patriotic leader with a proven track record of excellence, integrity, and hard work. I would like to use this occasion to thank Professor George Mondo Kagonyera for his excellent service. He played a pivotal role in the transition period. He has left a print in the growth and stability of the university.
It's not simply a personal honor. It represents a solemn opportunity to join hands with the leadership of Kabale University in executing its vision to become a sustainable and vibrant university of academic excellence in the Great Lakes region and beyond, and to vigorously advance its mission to be a center of excellence in the teaching, research, and community engagements, and to serve the socio-economic transformation of Uganda and the East African region.